Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to configure WP Mail SMTP plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add configuration in WP Mail SMTP plugin for our WordPress website. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write here SMTP. So this is plugin WP Mail SMTP by WP Form. So we are going to install this plugin. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now you see WP Mail SMTP. Welcome to the WP Mail SMTP setup wizard. So click on let's get started. So click on it. So if you are facing any issue and WordPress cannot send email to our email address or contact form cannot send information to our email address, or when you add information in the form and then click on submit and then form show error, form submission not done. So by using WP Mail SMTP plugin, you will fix that issue. Now you see step 1, choose your SMTP mailer. Now you see multiple options. So select other SMTP. So click on it and then click on save and continue. Now you see configure mailer setting. You see multiple options and then you see SMTP host. So in this field, you can add your domain name. Now paste. So we added our domain name in SMTP host. So you can add your domain name and then you see encryption, none, SSL, TLS. For most server, TLS is the recommended option. If your SMTP provider offer both SSL and TLS option, we recommend using TLS. So our service provider provide both option. If you want, you can use SSL. SMTP port 465 auto TLS, or if you want you can use TLS 587 SMTP port. So you can use this option, it is recommended. And then you see authentication, enable authentication, and then you see SMTP username and password. So you can add your email address and then you can add your email password. So you can add your domain email address. Now paste. So we added our email address hello@onionpatch.net. So this is our domain name and this is our domain email address. So you can add your email address here and then you can add SMTP password for this email address. So we added password for this email address and then you see from name handmade. If you want to add from name, you can add here. So it's up to you. And then if you want to force this from name on all your forms, you can enable this option. Now you see force from name. If enable, the form name setting above will be used for all emails, ignoring value set by other plugin. So it's up to you. If you add name here, then this name used in all form. Now disable. Also you see from email, so you can add your email. So we added our email address again. Now you see. And then you see force from email. If enable, the form email setting above will be used for all emails. So enable this option and then click on save and continue. Now you see step 3, which email feature do you want to enable. Now you see remaining option available in pro version and then click on save and continue. And then you see step 4, help improve WP Mail SMTP. If you want, you can add email address and then help make WP Mail SMTP better for everyone. Enable this option, so it's up to you. Or if you want, you can skip this step. So click on it. And then you see enter your WP Mail SMTP license key. So we are using WP Mail SMTP Lite. So we don't need any license key. Now you see. And then again click on skip this step. Now you see checking mailer configuration. We are running some tests in the background to make sure everything. Now you see congrats, you have successfully set up WP Mail SMTP. If you want, you can install this plugin, so it's up to you. And then you see finish setup and then you see send a test email. So click on send a test email. So email is sent by using WP Mail SMTP. So we are going to add email address, send a test email. So you can add your email address and then you see HTML on and then click on send email. So click on it. Now you see send a test email. The test email might have sent but its deliverability should be improved. Now you see domain check result. FPS success. The FPS record required by your SMTP server is set up and working correctly. But you see DMARC action recommended. So this is warning. So without DMARC, your email will send perfectly or correctly. But this is warning sign. So we are going to fix it also. DMARC. Now go to cPanel email. So we are in email. Now you see. So this is our email. And then we receive WP Mail SMTP HTML test email. Now you see congrats. Test email was sent successfully. Now you see message. So our issue is fixed and email sent to our email address perfectly or correctly. Now back to WordPress. But in WordPress you see DMARC issue. So we are going to fix it now. So you can add TST record for DMARC in your domain DNS and your issue will be fixed. And you will find TST record for DMARC in video description. Now you see value V DMARC1 and then you see P none and then you see RUA mail 2. So you can add your email address here. We added hello@onionpatch.net and then you see record type TXT target DMARC. Now back to WordPress and you will find video link how to authenticate DMARC in domain in video description. So this is our video how to set up DMARC authentication for domain email delivery. So you can add TXT record in your domain and your DMARC issue will be fixed. But without DMARC, your FPS record success. Now you see. So this is a warning. Now go to cPanel email account. So we are in email account and then you see this is our email. Now you see check email, manage, connect devices. So click on connect devices. So we are in setup mail client for this email address. Now you see mail client manual setting. So we are using SMTP 465 TLS. Now you see outgoing server SMTP port 465 and then you see incoming server. You see username, password and then you see hide non-SSL TLS setting. We are using this setting recommended. Now you see username, password and then you see outgoing server. Now back to WordPress. So you can fix this DMARC by adding TXT record and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in general setting. Now you see we added email, force from email enable, from name. So you can add name and then if you want you can enable it, force. Now you see we select other SMTP. Then we added domain name in SMTP host. Then encryption TLS 587, authentication on. Then we add SMTP username. So this is our email address. And then we added password for this email address. And then click on save setting. And our issue will be fixed. And your contact form and WordPress send email to your email address. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.